Simplify employee certification tracking with automated alert system. Stop tracking employee certification manually. Automate certification tracking with Remindax and get notified via email, SMS, or WhatsApp message. Employee certification tracking is important to ensure compliance with regulatory requirements and maintain a skilled workforce. Remindax is an automated alert system that can help businesses simplify and streamline their employee certification tracking process. Remindax allows businesses to set up customized alerts for different types of employee certifications, specifying the delivery method, email, SMS, or WhatsApp, and the frequency of reminders. This ensures that businesses receive timely and relevant alerts for each employee certification, helping them to stay on top of renewal deadlines and avoid compliance lapses. Many employee certifications require regular renewals, such as annual or biennial renewals. Remindax allows businesses to set up recurring reminders for these certifications, so they never miss a deadline. This feature saves time and ensures compliance with regulatory requirements. Remindax provides businesses with a dashboard that displays all upcoming employee certification expiration dates and their status. The dashboard makes it easy to track progress and monitor compliance. Remindax also offers reporting features that enable businesses to generate customized reports on employee certification status, helping them to identify trends and take proactive measures to maintain compliance. Remindax helps businesses stay on top of employee certification renewals and expiration dates, reducing the risk of compliance lapses and penalties. By providing timely alerts and reminders, Remindax ensures that businesses maintain up-to-date certifications and licenses for their employees. Reduced risk of certification lapses and penalties. With automated alerts and reminders, Remindax reduces the risk of employee certification lapses and associated penalties. By tracking certification renewals and expiration dates, businesses can avoid costly compliance violations and maintain their reputation with customers and regulatory bodies. Remindax simplifies the certification tracking process by providing a centralized platform for managing employee certifications. With customizable alerts, recurring reminders, and collaboration tools, Remindax streamlines the certification tracking process, saving time and reducing administrative overhead. Time and cost savings for businesses. By automating the certification tracking process, Remindax helps businesses save time and resources. Remindax eliminates the need for manual tracking and monitoring of employee certifications, reducing administrative overhead and freeing up resources for other business activities. Businesses can use Remindax to set up expiration dates for employee certifications and licenses. This involves inputting the certification details into the system, including the certification type, expiration date, and renewal period. Once this information is added, Remindax will automatically track the certification and send alerts and notifications as needed. Remindax allows businesses to customize alerts and notifications based on their preferences. This includes choosing the delivery method, email, SMS, or WhatsApp, and frequency of notifications. Businesses can also set up recurring reminders for certifications that require periodic renewal. Collaborating with team members. Remindax offers collaboration tools that enable team members to share alerts and assign tasks related to employee certifications. This feature helps businesses to distribute the workload and ensures that everyone is on the same page regarding certification requirements and deadlines.